how they serve old fashions, with a big, one huge chunk of ice, and it's usually super clear. Awesome, thank you so much. Thank you.
Enjoy yourself.
You too. Okay, let's try and go somewhere that's not super loud. Over here, maybe. Let's go right here. It's actually louder over there. So there's speakers at every booth over there. What this spot name is called? Madison. And they do a little stamp on the ice that says Madison right there. That's pretty cool, right? All right, hello everybody, hello. Happy Sunday everybody, happy Sunday. We are here in the UK, London, UK, everybody. Cheers. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Hope everybody had a good week. We got another week looking ahead of us. Hopefully that's good. Hopefully everything is good. That's good. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna look. The plan was. It's a little loud here, but you know what? Let me try this. Let me put the microphone on. Let me know if the microphone works better. Amazing. Cheers. Hello.
It's alright.
This guy's a show off. Come on, show off. Okay, go. Does that sound better? Does that sound okay? Can you guys even hear me? Okay, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Does that sound better? Check 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. I guess maybe you guys can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay, cool, thanks. I was just yelling over here. Thanks. Yeah, I can only yell louder because it works that way, right? If I yell louder, then you can hear me. Has nothing to do with the tech. Has nothing to do with the microphone. If I yell louder. Cheers, everybody. Does it sound better? Because I put noise cancellation on. Okay, so the place that I wanted to go to was the Bleecker Burger. Bleecker Burger. And it is fairly close from here. It is at 16 Bloomberg Arcade. And it is a 6-minute walk from here. However, I had a burger yesterday, so I could totally eat something else. Oh yeah, it said they're open. They're open till 10, I believe. Let me double check. Yeah, it says close. It says they're open till 10 on Google. However, let me look at their website. Yeah, so I was thinking about fish and chips. I was thinking about it. Yeah, it says Sunday close at 10 p.m. So they are definitely open. So we're good. We have somewhere to eat. However, if there's a place where we can get really good fish and chips, I'm totally down. 420 BRB. The George Pub in Fitzrovia for fish and chips. George Pub, let me look. The George Pub. I see the George Pub, Borough, Arsenal, Strand, Great Portland Street, Soho, Hampstead. I don't see Fitzrovia, huh? Okay. They close at 9 in 2 hours. It is a 60-minute subway ride. Yeah, I looked up Fort Fitzrovia. 55 Great Portland Street, London, W1W7LQ. 16 minutes to get there by train. I don't know if you need to book as well. Oh. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah, there is a reserve a table option. So. Fish and chips, please. Nothing today. Well, let's see. $7:45. They got a 7:45 slot open. Should we just try and reserve that? They got a 7:45 slot open. 16-minute train ride from here. Are we gonna make it? I want to savor this thing, you know? I don't want to rush. It looks hella fancy. This is a pub? It looks hella fancy, dude. It's asking me to upgrade to a champagne dinner. It's asking me if I want to upgrade to a champagne dinner. That's crazy. Am I gonna be okay in there? Dressed up like this? Am I gonna be fine? And I need to put a credit card in just to make a reservation? That's crazy. I need to put a credit card in to make a reservation. Fishoria's website says probably. I know, what the hell? If you want to stand, no, we want. Whoa, shit! I almost dropped the drink with the cable. Fishoria's. Okay, we're going here, guys. Let's do it. We'll leave right now. I'm gonna make a reservation though. It's asking me to send them a verification code. What the hell? And I gotta put my credit card information. What is this? Ah, come on. Dude. Okay, it's asking me to upgrade to a bottle of Westel Pilgrim. Or a beer for $30. Hell yeah, I'm totally down for mushy peas. Mushy peas, hell yeah, dude. And it's asking for my birthday now. What the fuck, dude? Why do you need to know my birthday? It's not asking for my date of birth because it's not asking me how old I am. It's asking me for my birthday. It's not asking me for the year. It's just month and day. Like, why do you need that information? I'm just coming in for dinner. why do you need why do you need that for a reservation? They're also asking if I'm celebrating a fucking special occasion. The fuck, man? Okay, it's asking me if I have dietary restrictions. It says 16 minutes. Oh shit, man! I didn't even think of that. Damn it! I already did. I already put in my real birthday. Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Oh shit, it's 21 minutes now. Fuck. Hurry up, hurry up. I got a reservation. Hurry up. Hurry up. I got this, guys. I got this. 23 minutes now. Fuck. I got this, man. I got this. Hurry up. Hurry up. Close it. Oh shit. Wrong button. Fuck. Fuck. I made the elevator open up again. Hurry up. Hurry up. Okay. Let's see. What's the fastest? 21 minutes. 21 minutes. Here. Let's follow this one. Okay. We got this. We got this, boys. How do I get down? I got this. I got this. All right, where are we going? Excuse me. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta take the Central. Central. We got this. Get up. Take a bike? Take a bike? I mean, it's telling me to take the subway. I mean, take the train. Subway? Do you call it subway here? Take the tube. Tube. Take the tube. I will get so lost. Probably. Take a scooter. Just run. Just fucking run. Just fucking run, guys. We're gonna go to George's Pub. Yes. We're gonna go right there. See? The Underground. It's called the Underground, everybody. Wait. 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 Walk. Ooh, it's cold. What is this? Don't get distracted. Don't get distracted. Oh, it's drinking water. Yeah? Okay, cool. Well, thanks for sharing it with us then. All right, here we go. Which way are we going? We're going west? I don't know, man. I don't know. What is it telling me to go? It says platform 1. It says west. Let's go west. Platform 1. Okay, if we F down here, bear with me. We got this. We got this. Easy. Easy peasy. the West. Excuse me. Westbound. Oh, did I just miss the train? I think I just missed it. I just missed it. I just missed it. The train just went left. Shit. I just missed it again. Damn it. Oh, wait, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Perfect timing, guys. Perfect timing. Woo! Stand back. Stand back, son. Stand behind at dawn as the train approaches. Use the toilet by the platform and let customers off the train first. We made it. Woo. This is the Central Line train to I got this, man. This is a Central Line train to White. Never doubt me, guys. Never. If you ever need to bet on me or against me, always bet on me. Okay, guys? I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Oh, it's loud. It is loud here. There yet. True, but we're gonna be there on time. Trust, right here. Very capable, right here. I may act like I'm very incapable. Very. It's just the front, okay? I just put on a front so people don't expect too much of me. You know what I'm saying? Very capable though, this guy right here. Solid guy, this guy right here. I'm telling you that much. Oh yeah, let's do a poll. 7:45, guys. It is 7:20. It is 7:20, and we need to get off. Oh shit! You know what? I don't have internet. Okay, let's see. Oxford Circus. Oh shit! We're going all the way back to Oxford Circus. Damn. Okay. Well, you know what? That's back in my neighborhood. So we got 3 stops. That was the first stop. 2 more stops to go. Easy peasy. It's only 7:20. You think I'm not gonna get there at 7:45? Come on. Easy. Yeah, mods. We'll do a poll. If there's any mods in chat, let's do a poll. Will I get there on time or not? 7:21.